Hello guys, today we're gonna make the Play-Doh. Today we have to mix the Play-Doh first. Roll it to one pieces and then you get the pieces and then roll it. Roll some more. If it get rough, roll it first. And then make a happy face. There. And then you make the eye. Roll another one. And then roll tiny bit one. And then the big one is the head. You have to flatten it all the way down. And then if you roll it again, you can put a nice clean whopper like this. And then put it here. There we go. Smiley. And then flatten it down like it should be. And then put the big eyeballs in there. Put the tiny eyeballs. And then we're done. See you in next week. Bye bye. Click down below and make sure you like the video. Bye.